Hello everyone, I welcome you all in video solution segment of JEE Main 2021 presented by Akash. Now let's begin with the first paper, that is the 24th Feb 2021 morning session paper, mathematics section. Let's take up the first question. It says integral cos x minus sin x divided by root 8 minus sin 2x dx is equal to a sin inverse sin x plus cos x divided by b plus c, that is the constant of integration. Now the question is saying what are possible values for a and b, ordered pair, some options are given. Simple question. When you look at the question of this kind where it is clearly given that denominator has sin 2x term, numerator has cos x minus sin x term, what's the substitution? Sin x plus cos x as t. Also it is given in the final result as well. So let's begin this question by substituting here. Let sin x plus cos x is equal to t, so that on squaring you get 1 plus sin 2x is equal to t square. From here you can get sin 2x. Also when you differentiate it, you are getting cos x minus sin x multiplied with dx is equal to dt. I'm sure this is clear. Now let's write down the integral after this substitution. Therefore, let's say this is I integral numerator cos x minus sin x into dx, it becomes simply dt. So we get integral 1 upon square root of 9 minus t square dt. And what's the integral of this term? It's simply sin inverse t by 3 plus constant of integration. So let's write down sin inverse t. And what is t? T is sin x plus cos x, this divided by 3 plus constant of integration. Now what's the question here? Simply they are saying find the value for a and b. What is a? A is 1, b is 3. So what's the correct answer here? Yes, 1 comma 3 is given here as option number 4. So let's mark it as our required result and just mention it. Correct answer is option number 4. I'm sure this is clear. Let's move on to the second question of the segment. The area of the part of the circle x square plus y square equals 36, which is outside the parabola y square equals 9x is. So let's plan this question. We have a circle. Let's draw a circle like this. Correct. Then question says we can also draw the coordinate axis here like this. Correct. Now a parabola is required. Parabola y square equals 9x can be drawn something like this. Clear on it? Alright. So when you solve the two, that is the circle and parabola, circle is x square plus y square equals 36 and parabola is y square equals 9x. So here we get x square plus 9x minus 36 equals 0. That means x plus 12 into x minus 3 equals 0. Clearly we get x is equal to 3 as the point of intersection. Clear on it? Alright. Now what we need to do? Let's do one thing. Just join these 2 points. Now question is saying we need area. Which area? Which is outside the parabola and inside the circle. So our requirement is basically this portion. Correct? Now what are the possible ways? We know the area of circle, right? One option. Find the area of semicircle and add this area. How will you obtain this area? This is simply area of circle minus area of parabola in the interval 0 to 3 and just double it. Second possibility, write the area of complete circle and subtract this portion. Any of the two can be applied. So let's go with option, the required area is equal to, if I go with complete circle, that means 36 pi minus twice of integral 0 to 3, because this point of intersection is at x is equal to 3. Now, this parabola portion, that means 3 root x dx plus, next is the circular portion from 3 to 6, integral 3 to 6 root of 36 minus x square dx. So this is what we are looking for. Just simplify to get the result. So this is equal to 36 pi minus twice of x to the power half, integral is x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So this is x to the power 3 by 2 under the limit 0 to 3 plus, next integral of this term x by 2 root of 36 minus x square plus a square by 2 meaning 36 by 2 sine inverse x by 6, and this is under the limit 3 to 6. Clear? Just put the limits to get the final result here. So this is equal to 36 pi minus. Here I can see when you apply limit 3, it becomes 3 root 3. 1 3 is already cancelled. So we have twice of 6 root 3 plus. When you apply 6 here, it becomes 0. When you apply 3 here, it is simply 3 root 27. When you apply this upper limit 6, it becomes 0. When you apply lower limit 3, it becomes 3 by 2 root 27. So this is simply minus of 3 into root 27, that is 3 root 3. So 9 root 3 by 2. I'm sure this is clear. All right. Next, plus this is 18 multiplied with, when you apply upper limit, this is pi by 2, lower limit, this is pi by 6. Pi by 2 minus pi by 6 giving you simply pi by 3. So this is equal to 36 pi, and this one you can see 6 into 2, 12 pi, giving you 24 pi. Next, this is 6 root 3 multiplied with 2, that means simply 12 root 3 minus 9 root 3 giving you 3 root 3. Minus sign is already outside, so this is the result in square units. So let's check out from the given options. 24 pi minus 3 root 3, it is given here as option number 4. So let's mark it as the required result. So I'm sure this question is also clear to you. Time to move on to the next question. Let's take up the question number 3. It says, if e raised to the power cos square x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x and so on, infinite GP is there, multiplied with log 2 to the base e. This is satisfying given equation t square minus 90 plus 8 equals 0. Then the value of this term, simple one, just simplify this infinite GP. So let's go for this question. Let's say lambda is equal to e to the power cos square x divided by 1 minus cos square x multiplied with log 2 to the base e. This is e to the power cot square x. This cot square x goes to the power e raised to the power log 2 raised to the power cot square x, that is 2 raised to the power cot square x. Clear? All right. Now another equation given to me. T square minus 90 plus 8 equals 0. That means t minus 1 into t minus 8 equals 0, giving you t equals 1 and t equals 8. Now let's read the question again. This is satisfying the given equation t square minus 90 plus 8 equals 0. That means something which I have taken as lambda is satisfying this equation. Clear? So therefore, 2 raised to the power cot square x is equal to 1, or 2 raised to the power cot square x is equal to 2 cube. Let's check out any constraint is given. Yes, x is lying in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So when you consider open interval 0 to pi by 2, obviously this value is not possible. Why? Because it will happen only when x is pi by 2, right? From the interval, it is not there, so just leave it. Now, from here, we can clearly see cot square x is 3. From the given interval, cot x is equal to root 3 or x is equal to pi by 6 is the only possible value. Now, the expression 2 sin x upon sin x plus root 3 cos x. Let's put x equals pi by 6 over there. Therefore, 2 sin x upon sin x plus root 3 cos x is equal to 2 into half upon half plus root 3 multiplied with root 3 by 2. So it is giving me simply 1 divided by half plus 3 by 2, that is simply 2. So the result obtained is value half. Let's check out from the options. Yes, it is given here as option number 4. So this is our required result. So I'm sure this question is also clear. Right? The correct answer is option number 4. Let's take up the next question, that is question number 4.